Hello guys, this is Problems Med. God damn, bro. The thing is, I was trying to send data from JavaScript to Python, so I want to use Python as backend, and then I went to so many websites and things, and most of the things didn't work. Again, another problem. So here, as you see, I found that website. So I copied those things and I tried to test it, but it doesn't work. And the reason why it doesn't work, so everything it looks great, but that piece of human did not tell me to run the app. So you should add that line of code: if name equal to main, app.run debug equal true if you want. If you don't want to, you can call it false. So that one is just for development mode. So if you are going to release your website, just put here false, but for now I will do it. So if you try the code without that one, I will try it right next to you. Look, nothing will happen. So you should add those two lines like that, and the code will work fine. So here it is. So you will as you see here, it says Control C, so I will press it. Control C, press Control C. So here I will write some data like, I don't know, F12 to C console. Now I will click here to send. This one you can delete it, but for now I will leave it. And as you see, this is our data. So here it is. As you see, the server has received. That's it. So I will leave the codes again. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to read the manual. I don't read, brother. I just copy, test. If it doesn't work, then I will read. Even though here you can't even read it, bro. There is nothing said that you should run the app or something like that, you know. And then, oh man. So thank you for watching. See you next time.